I'm going to show you a quick how-to for how to make Slack notifications enabled for all times of the day. So I'm going to go to my settings, and it's my phone settings. You can't do it from the Slack app. You have to go to your settings. So this is for an Android, and this is an LG G8 at Android version 9. So it might be slightly different for whichever phone you have, but go to your settings, which mine is in that tray. And you'll want to go to General Settings and Notifications. So you can see the notifications is there. The other option is to just search for sorry. And it's not under Notifications, I apologize. It is under App. Apps. So, General, Apps and Notifications, and Apps. And it will bring up a list of your apps. If you found this list of your apps, you're at the right place. So just scroll down to your Slack app, tap on it, and then make sure, of course, that the notifications are on, and then scroll down to Additional Settings and tap on that, and then you'll want to change the Notify Me on Mobile When. So that's this one here. Notify Me on Mobile. So I've changed it to as soon, always, even when I'm active. But you can change it to several different settings there. As soon as you're active, or after a number of minutes, to get a little bit of delay between the notification and when you receive the new message and when you receive it. And there you go. You click save, and then you are good. You'll now be getting all the notifications for the channels you're in.